My name is Lisa Speaker of the Speaker Law Firm. We are an appellate boutique. One of the top questions potential clients have is, how much will an appeal cost? So that is our topic for today. There are a lot of factors that go into the cost of appeal, and that is divided into the out-of-pocket cost and the attorney's fees, which are done at an hourly rate. One of the factors to consider is the number of issues that the client wants to raise on appeal. The more issues there are, the more time it will take to prepare the brief. The number of days of hearings or trial will very definitely impact the cost of appeal, not only because the transcripts will cost more if you have a very long trial, but also because it takes more time to review the transcripts the more there are. The complexity of the proceedings will impact the cost of the appeal because it takes more time to explain to the Court of Appeals what happened in the case and also to review the file. What the opposing counsel files also impacts the cost of an appeal. If they file a lot of motions or they have a lot of information in their brief that requires a response, it will take more time to respond to them. Whether the case has legal or factual issues can also impact the cost of appeal. So for example, factual issues usually take more time because we have to analyze the facts when we're challenging, for example, the trial court's findings being against the great weight of the evidence. Legal issues could make it simpler to appeal, but sometimes if it's an issue of first impression, which means that the Court of Appeals or Supreme Court has never addressed the issue, it could take more time to write about it for the first time ever. And the last thing that impacts the cost of an appeal is how much client communication is required on the client side. So if the client has a lot of questions that cannot be answered by support staff and require a meeting with the attorney, that will definitely take more time and will cost more for the overall appeal. So I hope that helps give you an idea of what goes into how we set our cost for appeal. Thank you.